Using a Wise card in the UK is very easy. Today, I'll show you how to do it. Firstly, if you don't have a Wise account, sign up on the Wise website. If you already have an account, log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Wise card section in your account. Then, order your Wise card, and it will be delivered to your registered address. Once your Wise card arrives, open the envelope. Here, log into your Wise account and activate your card online. Follow the instructions provided. Load money onto your Wise card by topping up your Wise account. You can do this by bank transfer or using other available funding methods. If you're planning to spend in a currency other than your default currency, you can convert money within your Wise account at the real exchange rate. Use your Wise card to make purchases at retail stores, restaurants, and other locations that accept MasterCards. Use your Wise card for online shopping. Enter your card details as you would with any other debit card. Withdraw cash from ATMs that accept MasterCard. Be aware of any fees associated with ATM withdrawals. Keep track of your transactions through the Wise app or online account. If you're traveling or making international purchases, you can manage multiple currencies within your Wise account.